I'm Branwen, Literary Assistant here at Sherman Cymru. There are no rules about writing a play. Every writer and their work is different and individual. However, with the help of Alan Harris, we have put together a few exercises and tips to help get the creative juices flowing. They're available to download just here. Good luck. Character. You should know your characters inside out before you put pen to paper. Each character should be distinct. What does each character want? What are their obstacles? How does their journey change them? Dialogue. It should move the story forward. Listen to how people really speak. Story. Where is the drama in the story you are telling? Setting. Where your play is set will have a great bearing on it. Theatricality. Remember you're writing for the stage, a visual medium. Get to know this medium as much as possible. See plays, read plays. Another draft? Remember that writing is rewriting.